Practical 1, drumstick holds. So what we're going to start with the right hand hold of the stick. So right hand, all you're going to do with your index finger and your thumb is you're going to pinch the stick towards the upper end of it like so. Once you've got that, then you're just going to raise the stick upwards, and with the remainder of your fingers you're just going to bring them round and curl them round to the bottom of the stick like that. Once you're in this position, your thumb should be upmost, and all you're going to do is rotate it to the inside of your body just a little bit like that. And that is right hand hold. Key points to note for this hold though, so you want it to have a nice easy flipping motion. The natural travel of the path should just go up and down. You shouldn't come across the pad like so. It should just nicely come up and down without any undue force. Also, it's an extension of your arm, so it has to follow your arm in one straight point. You don't want any curved wrists like this or the drumstick pointing sideways. It's all one straight extension of your right arm, and it should follow naturally the pad, the natural crease in the centre of your hand running down to your elbow. Also, points to note for this one, all it is your index and your thumb finger that are only holding the stick. They're not used to do any of the techniques. It's the rest of your fingers that do the technique for this one, like so. And once you get a nice comfortable flick on it, it will feel a bit unnatural at first, but when you're using it, you're just going to get, and then you get more comfortable as time progresses, and that's how you do it. So once you do it a few times, just make sure you keep checking that you're not getting in any bad habits. Your arm's starting to roll back up like that, you're starting to get this bent wrist. So just have a few whacks and taps, and then just see if your hand position's correct. So that's right hand hold. So what we're going to do for left hand hold, you're going to get your hand and you're going to extend your two fingers and your thumb out like so. And then 3/4 of the way up, you're going to put in the pad of your left hand on this part here of your left hand. You're going to place the stick in there. Next thing you're going to do, you're going to bring your ring finger and your little finger 90 degrees, point them in towards yourselves a little bit, and then your stick just rests on your fingers like so, on the left hand. Then after that, all you're going to do is bring your fingers across like that, and then you're going to bring your thumb down. Points to note for this one, when you're doing it, you don't want the thumb, so again, you're not grabbing it like this and bringing it over. You want the thumb running down the stick. You don't want it across the stick like this, because it's the thumb that predominantly helps you on these exercises. So you want it nicely to run down. So then once again, in the pad of the hand, sits on the ring finger, and then you just bring your two fingers across, and then the thumb goes down along the stick. And then once you get a bit comfortable with this one's the most unnatural for new drummers to master, just getting that thumb. You don't want to overwork the wrist, where you're just getting this wrist action going on. You want to try and use that thumb best you can. So it's all the thumb that does the work for this one. So once you get to just like that, like so, thumb running along the stick, not like that. Fingers coming across. These two fingers are only here to stop the stick coming out of your hand and losing the position. And the ring finger that you use on here, that's what returns the stick when the flicking motion of the wrist to return it back upwards. And that is left hand hold of the stick.